This is the video to learn how to add this PowerPoint slide border. So I will show you new slide. We will add here border. So insert shape and select the box. Draw your box like this. Right click on it, double click or right click and format shape. Here select no fill, line color. So you can select any color. Solid line, and here is the size. You can adjust the size like this. Then close it. That's it. Thanks for watching.